In this video, I will show you how to create Google Search Console account for your WordPress website. First, you have to log in your Gmail account and your WordPress website. Then go to Google Search Console website. Now click on Start Now. Now enter your website's URL. Now click on Continue. Then select HTML tag. Then copy the code and go to your WordPress website. Now click on Appearance. Then select Theme File Editor. Now click on header.php. Now paste the code after opening head section. Now click on Update File. Then go to Google Search Console account and click on Verify. Then click on Go to Property. Now your Google Search Console account is created. If you have any question or need any help, please contact with us. Thanks for watching.